Every country wants to rule the future of artificial intelligence. From the United States to China, from India to the UAE, everyone is racing to become the world's AI king. Governments are investing billions, companies are building data empires. But the real question is, who's actually leading this global race? Here are the top 5 countries shaping the future of AI. Number 5, United Kingdom. The UK may be small in size, but it plays a huge role in AI research and policy. UK is home to several top AI labs at London, Oxford, and Cambridge. In 2024, the UK government announced a £100 million AI Safety Institute to lead global AI regulation. But here's the problem. While Britain is big on research, it's limited in computing power and investment. The UK spent around $4 billion on AI last year, compared to over $100 billion by the US. That's why it ranks 5th. Number 4, UAE. It is the Middle East's fastest growing AI hub. It became the first country in the world to appoint an AI minister back in 2017. By 2030, the UAE plans to make 14% of its GDP come directly from AI. That's over $96 billion. From Dubai's AI-powered police to Abu Dhabi's big data projects, the UAE is turning AI into national infrastructure. Its speed, investment, and government focus make it number 4. Number 3, India. India is becoming the world's AI workforce. It has over 420,000 professionals working in AI-related roles, one of the largest talent pools on Earth. In 2024, India launched India AI Mission, worth $1.2 billion to train and expand AI use across industries. Major global firms like Google and Microsoft are setting up AI development centers in Bengaluru and Hyderabad. But India still depends on imported chips and lacks top-tier infrastructure, so it stands 3rd, powerful in people but not yet in compute. Number 2, United States. The US is the birthplace of modern AI. OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Anthropic, and NVIDIA all are American. In 2024 alone, the US invested over $110 billion in private AI projects, more than any other country. It leads in AI startups, patents, and chip design. America still dominates innovation, but data restrictions and political debates are slowing its scale. That's why it sits at number 2, still powerful, but losing ground. Number 1, China is the king. China isn't just investing in AI, it's building an entire ecosystem around it. Beijing spends over $150 billion a year on AI research, infrastructure, and national projects. China produces 36% of the world's AI research papers, more than any other country. It leads in AI surveillance, robotics, smart cities, and e-commerce automation. With thousands of AI startups and state-owned tech giants like Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent driving growth, China is scaling faster than anyone. While others debate ethics and laws, China is deploying AI in every layer of its economy. That's why China stands as the AI king of the world.
Follow for amazing countdowns.